कभी जैसे शाम का गल्ला गिनता हो बनिया, कभी जैसे बंदर नचाता हो मदारी, कभी पनघट जाती पनिहारी, कभी जैसे 500 बैलों की जो कर्जे से परेशान, कभी जैसे दरवाजे पर बजी घंटी, कभी जैसे गुरुजी ने मारी संटी.
Was there any theme at all?
The theme was interaction. The theme was, let's find that last sum together. Let's get there together, and try every which way to do it. And this is all about it. It's all adventure, experience, interaction. It's like going to, some mountain climbing and hoping that everybody pulls everybody up till the last few feet and then up, arriving there together. It's a high.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, of course. I would like to play more concerts like this. We can give us more energy and things like this. And I started playing like this before 2 years back with Zakirji. He only introduced me like this, and my dad, I learned from my dad and uncle. So I would like to play this concerts, Thanks.
What was the theme? Was there any theme at all?
No, actually, this is nothing but our own improvisation and things like this. But we have the ideas in our mind and in our heart, and that's what we used to see everything as. That's it. Nothing we practice, nothing we rehearse. And the theme is like North. I mean, North Indian, North meets South. That what I played is South Indian instrument. What my dad plays is the South Indian instrument, and it's East West. So it all meets. That's a thing. But everything is like improvisation. But everything is in our heart and it's in our high. That's it.
Hello.
Fantastic performance.
Thank you.
What was this concert all about? How did you plan it out?
See, we won't plan anything on the spot. Zakir Bhai, we share the feeling. It's like a meditation, and we start the beat. As if today Guruji has said, like the beat start from mothers. So we started like a beat, and we just with that I just involved. Like on the spot, we are just doing this. It's not planned.
Now, how much is this a tribute to Osho?
It's a great feeling, and great playing with this group, and today is a very special day for me. I heard about him, and today I performed. For today is the book of releasing of the book, launching, and I'm very happy to perform today.
What does sound mean to you?
The sound. I have a lot of sounds, and each sounds I got each feeling. When I'm just banging my talam, feel like spiritual feeling when I'm playing, like for Shiva, Lord Shiva is Damaru, and I'm playing each symbols, and it gives some kind of power to me. So spiritual, I just feel like this is something divine sounds. And
how many sounds we just heard? I don't know how many sounds we heard. How many sounds do you really?
I have a lot of percussion. Wherever I go, I collect percussion, and I'll check. Even this is in Calcutta. I bought in the shop. It's for the kadai biryani sound. So it was sounding really great, and so I just created in that melody and just bought 3/4 thing and chromatic notes. And
Do you plan to give your own music score or something in the coming years?
very soon I'm going to do my own album plus score for movies.
Now that you're slightly at ease, tell me about this thing, the whole concept. Was it your idea?
To put all these drummers together, yes, this was my idea. The reason being that I've worked individually and in duos or trios with these drummers separately, but there was always this dream that drummers should all come together and see if they could collectively, so many of them, be like one, one big machine working as a single unit. And also each one of these musicians is such a genius that I just wanted to bring them together and see what kind of sparks fly. And it's been great. I mean, each one of them has worked well with each other, and they all are so giving. It's a lot of fun to work with them.
It looked for some time that all you people were lost in your own world. Well,
Oh yeah, I mean, after a while it's like you don't know you're on stage and there's an audience or anything. It's like we were having a good time and we were doing unconventional things, and we were just like kids, enjoying the roller coaster which is known as rhythm. It's a lot of fun.
do you think you're going to have more experiments like this?
Yes, definitely we'll be playing more together. I mean, you saw the reaction, and there's no way you can take this and just do once or twice. So we'll definitely be playing again, and maybe I'll add some more people,
What about the concert on the 10th? What is it going to be?
The concert on the 10th, there's this very famous Japanese drummer who used to belong to a Kodo group. And it's the drums, those big drums are known as taiko. Taiko is the Japanese name for drums. So taiko drums, and he and I have worked together in Europe before, Leonard and myself. So I guess this is something that the Japanese people wanted to bring together, and Leonard said, well, I've worked with Zakir, so let's do it together. So they called up, so him and I, and then maybe there'll be some other musicians that he's bringing, and we'll try to do something. See, and again, there's no rehearsals.
How is this feeling? मेरा पहला प्रश्न यह है कि ऐसा एक्सपेरिमेंट आपने पहले भी परफॉर्म किया?
हाँ, हम लोगों ने काफ़ी प्रोग्राम किए हैं, जाकिर जी, हम लोगों ने, विकू जी, सब मिलके, और हर वक्त भगवान की कृपा से बहुत अच्छा ही प्रोग्राम होता है। और हमारी ऑडियंस को भी बहुत पसंद है हम लोगों की प्लेइंग, सब बजाना, ये सब।
आज क्या कुछ खास था मौका?
आज तो मौका खास था, ओशो में बजा रहे थे तो मौका खास ही था, और उनके भगवान रजनीश जी की आशीर्वाद से बहुत अच्छा हुआ प्रोग्राम।
मगर आज जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो चार्ज लग रहा था ज़्यादा लग रहा था।
हाँ, आज ज़्यादा इसलिए लग रहा था कि एक दूसरे पे बजा रहे थे, एक दूसरे को समझ के, एक दूसरे के साथ। तो
ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस आप साल में कितनी बार ऐसे करते हैं कि आप सारे मिल?
जब प्रोग्राम की सीजन होती है तो बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम होते हैं हमारे, और बहुत अच्छे पैमाने पे होते थे, बड़ी बड़ी कॉन्सर्टें होती है, तो बहुत अच्छा होता है प्रोग्राम।
I think it was a wonderful experience. One thing unique about India is that India has had musical drums. I think, you know, as was mentioned earlier, the whole rhythm, the beat starts when a child is in the womb. In Africa, they say, you know, the heartbeat, the throbbing heartbeat has given a lot of rhythm to their music. But I think one way India is unique, and this evening's performance kind of proves that, is that drums are not just accompanying instruments, not just instruments which provide the background, the rhythm. The drums itself can be tuned, the drums itself are musical. And you saw a cross-section of the best percussionists in the subcontinent. So I think it was really a treat for all music lovers this evening.
Enormously. But like all Talwadde Kacheri, there is a dialogue between the musicians. This tended to become a little linear. It was like going back and forth, because they were sitting in a straight line. If they were sitting in a circle, there could be greater eye contact, and they don't then have to follow that one after the other. But so there wasn't enough interweaving, but it was wonderful. It was wonderful. It crosses all boundaries. It makes us feel what this country is all about.